in a survival situation is to stay close to water sources. Small ponds, marshy land, or shallow water areas are extremely valuable. Because birds and animals come here to find food, drink water, build nests, and raise their young. Where there is water, there is life. Waterhen birds are commonly found around wetlands and forest water bodies. They prefer quiet places with thick vegetation and nearby water. Understanding bird behavior helps a lost person identify safe areas, food sources, and signs of life around them. This is not about chasing animals, but about reading nature and responding wisely in a survival situation. In a real survival scenario, you do not have tools. Everything must be created using natural resources. In this video, we showed how simple fibers can be made from tree bark and branches found nearby. These natural fibers can be twisted and used as rope, binding material, or simple support tools. This knowledge is important because when modern tools are unavailable, nature itself becomes your survival kit. Many people believe survival skills are unnecessary in modern life, but accidents happen. People get lost. Phones stop working. Help does not always arrive on time. In those moments, even basic survival knowledge can mean the difference between life and death. That is why education like this matters. This video is not about catching birds. It's about teaching how to survive when nature becomes the only support system. Lost and Living exists to share real survival knowledge, to educate, and to help people understand how to stay alive in extreme situations. If you believe survival education is important, support the channel, share the knowledge, and stay prepared. Because survival is not always a choice. Sometimes it's the only option.